Hey guys, you've asked me to do a cold start of the 91 928 GT. So here we are. There she is, ice cold. There's the interior. Get to see a little bit of that. Let's get her in here. You can see, nice and cold. Get her in neutral and cold start. Here we are. Nice and even. It's really a good idle. Charging well. Oil pressure's good. Outside temperature 60 degrees. And she is purring there happily. As you can see, straight back. Exactly where she needs to be. Yeah, she's in great shape, this car. Alright, there it is. Best of luck guys in bidding.